Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to watch members-only videos on YouTube. All right, let's begin. First, open YouTube and go to the channel that offers memberships. Not every channel has this feature, so make sure the creator supports channel memberships. Once you are on the channel homepage, look for the Join button next to the Subscribe button. Tap on Join to continue. After clicking Join, you will see different membership tiers. Each tier explains what benefits you get, including access to members-only videos. Carefully read the details so you know exactly which videos and perks are included. Choose the membership level that allows you to watch members-only videos. Next, YouTube will take you to the payment screen. Enter your preferred payment method and review the total cost, including any applicable taxes. Keep in mind that memberships renew automatically every month unless you cancel them. Once the payment is complete, your membership will activate instantly. You can now go back to the channel and watch all members-only videos available for your tier. So that's basically how you can watch members-only videos on YouTube. That's it for this video. Thanks.